our everyday junglist.
Yes, Massive and crew back once again with another video, and after a very late night last night, minimal sleep, back in the studio, got up early, got some videos to edit, get the schedule of the videos rolling because it's been a bit short recently, and also I've now got the task of connecting up my old MXR, which I've got a wire. So guys, yeah, admittedly in the video there I sounded knackered, and admittedly I got milk on my chin, and it was a late night. I was working up late doing discs till God knows what time. So, and on top of that, I've noticed in that video I've got something spilt on my top here. So don't watch that. I decided to do another little video to back that one up. You know, sometimes you go and go, man, and you know, you don't. You know, you're thinking in your head, man, what am I doing? Is this madness? You know, shall I not bother with this no more? And you know, sometimes you can just run yourself down to a point where you get so tired you can't think, and your creativity goes. So it's like at that point is where I have to rest, man. I have to just take a break. You know, go to sleep. Get a few early nights. You know, I find if I hit the bed by 10 o'clock every night, it usually helps when I get to that kind of state where I'm just like just feeling just overworked and knackered. So it's very important, people, to get your sleep. As much as I dedicate a lot to doing this music, you know, this is the times when I get to do my music is really in my times when I should be relaxing. So it's like you're doing a dual, you know, job. It's like you're working around the clock, people. So, and again, just giving you an example, look, it's now 11 o'clock, 11:06 at night, and I'm supposed to be in bed by 10, but I'm here editing videos. So it's a vicious circle, people. You can run yourself down easy in this game. Yeah, man, heads up, I've still got to connect the XR, and I'm just going to give you a little zoom in on the Digitech. This is the old Digitech down here. It's not powered up yet, as you can see. The TSR12 is the Digitech, is the effects unit that I used to use back in the day on a regular basis. I've still got patch bays that are just barely strung up here. You know, just a quick look at my rack as well. New addition is my Akai S3000 XL. Picked this up well cheap recently, 70 quid on eBay. Just had to steal that. And I've also bought at least this HR16 because a lot of my drum programs were triggering on the Amiga and there was nothing there to trigger. So I was actually thinking of a software version, but software solution as such. But no, I decided to just get the drum machine to see what's popping. I've got my kind of hacked up S3200 here, so sharp. I'm hoping to get this scanned so I can get you to build me a new face for it, man. That would be so cool. So I've not forgot you on that offer. I've got my easy zip drive here. This is what I use this is like a retro disc. Oh, it's not powering up at the moment. Let me see if I can get that to work. There you go, it's got a bit of a dodgy power cable at the back there. But as you can see, man, this is a classic piece of kit. And you know, just giving you guys a sort of behind the scenes look into what's going on, into, you know, what goes on. And this is our old time hard drive. It holds 133 megabytes, which back then was the equivalent of 135 gigabyte, I would say. And it holds a lot of samples. On here, you'd fire it up, you switch on your Akai. So you used to flick that button there, the light used to fire up, used to make this noise. That little zoop sounds like one of them old sort of trace tunes on I think it was on No U-Turn on one of them labels there. Comment down below if you know what that sounds like, what song I'm referring to. But if you click, if you go into the menus here, you can set, you know, your SCSI ID. I believe that SCSI ID is on 5. No, I think it's on 2. I think that one. There you go. Yeah, so I'll stick that on SCSI ID 3, and as you can see there, look, as I go to load up here, it accesses the directories. As you can see in here at the moment, I've got Flavor, Wild Thing, 45 Soundboy, B and Remark. Apparently there's a B and Remark project there that we did. I did this with Remark back in the day. I'd have to get this up, man, load it and see what it is. Remark, we did a project. Do you ever remember that, mate? Dirt. We've got Rich Free. So this is some of the stuff, and then you've got different partitions on the hard drive. Rayman, Rich Free, and then hard drive C. So these partition off, yeah. Next, I've got my Tascam DAT machine. This is what I use to run off all the DAT archives. Tascam DAT machines are probably one of the most reliable. I have been through a few DAT machines and actually given them away to the point where they've worked okay, but then, you know, the Tascam is the one. Recommended by Marlon Equinox told me get a Tascam, they're good. And to be honest, this thing hardly glitches. I got this on a deal, pretty much brand new in the box, and it was near mint. Got a few DATs with it as well. I've got my Kenwood tape deck, dual one. This side's knackered now. It's making a bit of a clanky noise when I put that in. BB Sonic Maximizer, but none of these bits, this bit here is not actually wired up at the moment, and as I said earlier, I've got my TSR 12. So this is all the bits and pieces in my rack. Not forgetting the Mackie desk at the top there. This is a retro desk. It's got a lot of dust in it, and it does need a good service, people. So that's all the retro tech that I've got here to show you today. So just giving you a little tour around. I've got a couple of zip drives there, guys. If you've got any old floppies you don't want, I'm the guy, yeah. So send them through. I always make use of them. I've got a couple of old zip drives there that haven't really got strung up yet. Yeah, guys, just sort of keeping you on point with what's going on. I'm waiting for the Kickstarter to approve, and they're going to approve my credentials, and then they're going to approve my my campaign, and then once that campaign's approved, I'm going to hit launch, and we are rolling, people. As well as that, I've got the rough cut song being cut as we speak. There should be some TPs for that coming soon. Lots going on. Hit that subscribe button, people, and I'll keep you guys posted so that you guys are always notified of what's going on. Don't forget, we've got the long sleeve Brain t-shirts just been uploaded onto the website, and also there's the Brain t-shirts that are in multiple colours now. So go there, show some support, go there, grab yourself one. So guys, I've decided to open up my own Reddit. It's called DNBSF. SF stands for self-promotion. Please subscribe to it and help it to grow. This is going to be a nice community where I'm going to be giving away t-shirts and stuff like that in there, and also you guys can promote your tunes and everything without any grief. Take care, God bless, peace.